You can get extreme hair growth by using ginger because it improves scalp circulation, deliver more nutrients and oxygen to the scalp and to hair follicles, and create healthier scalp environment due to the anti-inflammatory properties and also the antioxidant and antimicrobial properties that combat dandruff and reduces stress level. Ginger reduces scalp irritation, smoothing an itchy scalp, and prevent dandruff, provide a better environment for hair growth and for your hair follicle as well. When you have a clean scalp, that will lead to hair growth, and ginger will help you offer that benefit to your hair. So what you do is just get the ginger, grate it, or you can blend it, but when you are blending it you add extra water for your blender to blend. But this one I just grate it with my hand and just squeeze out the juice. It's the juice that we are looking for, so keep on watching to see how we are going to use it for best results for hair growth. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for sticking with me and being a part of this family. I really want to appreciate all of you who has sticked to watch, supported me by liking, commenting, also going ahead to subscribe. Thank you everyone for 5,500 and something subscriber at the moment, so I'm grateful. You guys are all making my dream come true. I appreciate you guys all. I want to just let you guys know that I'm still doing my challenge. I have not stopped till the end of this year. I want to see what God can do with my hair as I'm treating it almost every day. Now you can section your hair and pour this mixture in a spray bottle, but I don't advise that because it might splash into your eye and that will not be good at all. So I section my own hair, but well, section yours and apply it directly to the scalp to get the best results and the benefits. I hope that makes sense. So as I'm applying this thing, spraying it on my hair, I'm also massaging it in. If you just spray and stop, you won't get the full benefit. So go ahead to massage, if possible in inversion method, to rush that blood flow to the scalp, bringing back the nutrients from the blood into the scalp follicles and giving you the best results ever. This hair is about almost 2 weeks, but you can see the growth. If someone told you that their wise is fake, it doesn't grow hair, question that person and let the person show you their hair so that you will see whether what they are saying is true or not. Because people like us, we are seeing results by using Ayurvedic. If you want to also see results, join us by using this Ayurvedic health. Your hair is nature. These Ayurvedic herbs are also coming from nature. If someone said it doesn't pay off, I don't think that. Well, if you really want to grow your hair, please do well to incorporate Ayurvedic herbs into your routine. I hope that makes sense. If you have bald patches and your hair cannot grow past a particular length, or you are struggling to see new growth on your hair, try to use ginger because it can stimulate blood flow and that will bring the nutrients your hair needs for growth. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you up in my next video. Some kisses coming your way. Take it. Bye.